So here's me doing a 10 fast fingers test of this new Masione gaming keyboard with its half mechanical keys. So we'll see how I could type on it, how fast, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with this typing test. Alright, so this is my first test with the typing on the Masione half-key mechanical keyboard, a half-mechanical keyboard. 94 words per minute, one word wrong. The keyboard is like other mechanical keyboards. The layout's slightly off. I have a little bit of trouble hitting the backspace key with my pinky, but again, this is my first time doing a typing test on it. I've not even typed on this keyboard yet, and I'm only about 10 words per minute off from I am on my comfortable keyboard, which I use for months. So, really nice feel to it. You can hear the responsiveness of the keys. You can hear the spring back. Not quite as loud as a Cherry MX Blue keyboard, but it sounds more like a Cherry Brown with its responsive clickbacks and things like that. And it feels like a softer mechanical keyboard. It doesn't feel quite as much as the Cherry Blue, but definitely much more than your typical membrane keyboard. It definitely feels closer to a mechanical keyboard. It feels almost exactly like a softer mechanical keyboard to me. So this is the Masione mechanical half mechanical gaming keyboard. See, I want to say mechanical. And honestly, I really like the feel of the keys. I just got to get used to the key placement. It's a really nice keyboard. At the budget of half the price of mechanical keyboards, you get a mechanical feel, and I dare you to test the difference and see if you really think that a $99 mechanical keyboard is worth paying double the price of this half mechanical keyboard by Masione. Thank you for watching.